JPM. Slalom, bro. Nice. Oh, there it is. Interesting. Okay, good to know. Yep.
That's not a big deal.
Yep. That's just a trail, right? That's called mountain biking. Nice, dude. Yeah, buddy. Nice, dude. Oh! Yeah. Dude, he was doing like 2 wheels around the turn. Oh yeah, okay. So the tread is under there, yeah, just hard to see.
Still scary though.
Yes, totally. Yes. Because it might not be at a given moment's notice. Hikers up.
Hey, how's it going?
This guy's killing it up there. Okay, I'm the caboose, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh boy. Ah, that's a bummer. This is the flow section too. Shoot. Okay.
That's the weed whacker.
Yeah, dude, you are the weed whacker right
Yeah,
now.
I kinda am. That's the reverse turn.
Yeah.
There we go. Got it.
Yeah. It's good to know we need to whack the turns wide. Well, I mean, clear the brush wide so you could actually get up into the back slope. Yeah. Oh, that's a bummer, dude.
That was fine.
No, I mean, this is a ripper, but it's hard when you can't see. And I mean, not you, but like when a rider can't see.
I'm stressing it more and more.
Yeah.
But they're used to that. That's
Yeah.
not uncommon.
Yeah. Its own special challenge.
Riding in the spring is part of it.
Yeah, right. Especially this spring, man. Okay, should get a little less brushing.
It just shortens up my vision.
Yeah, well, everybody's, dude. I mean, like, yeah. I'm gonna put some brush cutters on your wheels, dude.
You guys have rattlers?
No, not here.
In San Diego, that's
Oh, yeah, dude. Ooh, crosswise. I like that. So the bad news is we got to climb back up this, but
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
yeah.
That's just
Unless Will's got keys and we can take the road, but we'll see about that. Nice. I think this was the ridge that we dropped off of, yes.
okay.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yes, I guess it was the wind screen. Down through.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. That was it. It was just not letting it evaporative cool enough. That's a bummer, but
That's fine. The microphones have gotten better over time.
that's true. Yeah. And I'm just blabbering back here anyway. I'm just going, yeah, buddy.
I like that. Yeah, yeah.
All right. Boop. Sweet. Nice, man.
That's fun. Yeah.
Your laugh is making me laugh. Yep. Okay. That is awesome because I did not like the way the builder built that. And she was insistent. And that just validates my impression. Okay. Great.
I mean,
Yep. No, that's good.
that's real fun.
Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks, man. I'm the caboose. Enjoy. Rip it. Well, there's no account for you being a bad rider. Yeah, somewhere around here, Will. Maybe try to find some non-dappled light or something.
It stopped for some reason. So climbing the road's not an option?
No, unfortunately not. Unfortunately not.
We'll get through it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's probably good that I'm going through it though,
Helps me.
because I mean, even if I'm going through it twice, it still does something.
Yo, it's absolutely. Absolutely.
Like you said, the impact's there.
Yep, exactly, dude. The trail is there.
Oh, that was my bad.
Yeah.
Is that same spot?
Yep. Yeah. I had a little argument with the trail builder back there and I backed off and I shouldn't have, so.
I mean, it's fine.
It's not ideal though, you know. It could be better and there was no reason it wasn't. Oh.